Come back. Now I want to apply, go to Mary Kay primer on my face. Ensure that it gets dry before any other application of the makeup product. So today, I'm not pro-mixing at all. Today, I just want to try this, my MAC Studio Fix SPF 15 foundation on my face today. Gently apply. Apply gently, then before it, just a little. Can you see I'm not letting it touch the under eye? Yes, that's because that place, it is concealer that will be there, so that everything don't get to crease together. Can you see? Everything is well applied on the face. You don't need to pack too much of foundation on the face, so that one will not be looking like a masquerade. Can you see? Can you see? Well blended. So now I'll be concealing important part of the face with my go-to foundation and concealer BH Cosmetic palette. This palette is so nice. You don't need to pack much, just little, and you will see the effect on the face. So just the tear duct area. Then just here. And you need to pack this BH Cosmetic palette is very thick. The concealer is thick, so you don't need much. And now we blend together. Ensure that your powder puff, your beauty blender is wet, so that it gets blended easily. Can you see? Oh, I love makeup. I love making up. I love it. I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. So now I want to go in with my Fair Up dark shade foundation. The forehead. The bridge of the nose. Now take the other side of your beauty blender and you blend. Oh, can you see? Everything is, we blend in together. Can you see? Can you see? Then we go to the bridge of the nose and just, can you see? Everything well blended. Because the beauty of makeup is blending. Can you see as everything is sitting properly on the face? Now we go in with our blush. Using this. And then we blend together. Can you see? So we are setting the face. I'll be setting my face, the highlighted part, with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So you always dust it off. You see? Okay, come here. Take it. Set. Then the forehead of the nose, because I highlighted that part too. The bridge of the nose. After then, we take our sleek contour palette to contour certain areas of the face. I'm using this shade, the dark shade. Just little, just on. Then use the darker concealer for that is where we are just doing. Can you see that the blush area is still there? Can you see? We're going to do that side too, but let's focus on this first. Then you take this to do the outer bridge of the nose. So now I'm using the all-purpose blush palette to apply on the blush area of the face. So just gonna mix two together. Dust, always dust then. Always ensure you dust off. Then we now take our compact powder to set the face up. You see that I'm not still touching the highlighter area because I want it to set very well. Then after then I'll use my compact powder to adjust. But for now, let's still leave it. You leave it on the face, you let it set properly. So everything will not be looking the same. So, let me see. So now we are moving into our eyebrows. Yeah. So now what we are doing, like I always say, if you know that you have like a full eyebrow, you can carve it. And if you know it's something you can work with, like you can actually get your angles right on the eyebrows, you can as well leave it. So this one is a choice. But for me, I don't like carving my eyebrows. So what I just do is I take my mascara wand or spoolie, I use it to brush. Can you see? You brush very well. Then after brushing, go ahead to carve your eyebrow. So watch as I do it. See, take the mascara wand. I just, can you see? See? Thank you. So now what we are going to be doing is to highlight the under part and the upper part. So I'll be using a lighter shade to highlight the under part. So watch. The reason why I'm using a lighter shade is because so that it will make the eyebrows to be well defined. Because if you're using a darker shade for the lower part, it won't look sharp because the eyebrow is supposed to like have a high definition. Yes, so that's why we always ensure you always use a lighter shade for the under part. So see, and this, please always ensure you blend. Now we take a darker shade of foundation or concealer to highlight just the upper part. Can you see that it's blending in my forehead? If you see that the foundation is too much, you can just adjust it, like dabbing it on your palm. So that is it. So now what we do, because me, I like to set my eyebrow. So we set it up, set it up, set it up, set it up. So it will look very defined. So we are moving now to application of eyeshadow. Remember I said I want to do 2 different types of eyeshadow. Yes, I want to try it because makeup is art. You try everything. So now watch me as I do it. If you are still with me on my channel, you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So now let's get right into the application of eyeshadow. Now I first go in. I'm using my go-to Beauty Seductive Eyes eyeshadow. I'm using this palette. So now first I need to apply the transition color. So watch me. Like I said, the beauty of makeup is what? To blend. Whatever you do for the first, you do for the second. So, because they are twinning. So, blend. That is the beauty of makeup. Blend. Keep blending till you get your desired results with blend. Now, what we are doing, we are applying our eyeshadow base, which is my naked. My good. This is what we do here. For this one, you have to blend it. Because if you don't blend, so it's good to transition whenever you want to apply your eyeshadow because it will make your eyes to pop out already. Can you see my eyes? And I've not even applied any eyeshadow color, just the transitioning alone has giving my eyes that, that sharp look. this. So for this side, I'll be using a neon orange color. Then we what? We blend. Then for this side, I'll be applying a purple color eyeshadow. So now, can you see? Then you use your hand to adjust it. I don't have my eyelash picker here. I would have used that one, but you can improvise. You see? Then you just use it to assist it. You see? At this stage now, we have to set our face. I'm setting powder. Yeah, so we are now moving into the lips. I'll be using David's pencil as well. So we blend together. Please, if you're still watching, kindly subscribe. And I know you're watching. Yes, please kindly subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, like, share, comment as well. Thank you, and share to your friends. Thank you, and above all, please subscribe to my channel, Olivia as well. Thank you. This pencil, this is black shade. Ensure you blend. And then take our naked eyeshadow base, serve as a concealer as well. So you take it like this. I like this is an old product too, and as my lipstick. And then we blend together. If you know you're not satisfied with that lip liner, you go again. So what we are doing now, to line our under eye, I like to use a dark shade. So now we'll be blending out the highlighted part of the face with our compact powder. So now we'll be using our bronzer. This is important. Ensure you highlight them. So don't let us forget to take our compact sleek powder just for the bridge of the nose, the outer part. In case it is outside, so just to give your lips a defined shape. I'm using Iman Girl Squeeze Air Shimmer as the gloss for my lips. You see? You see? You see? You see? I'm not done. So please, if you are finding this video interesting, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. That will go a really long way for me. Thank you. So voila, this is the outcome of the makeup tutorial that I did today. So guys, stick with me on my channel by the grace of God. See you same time, same me, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.